What is the best PPC setup for a brand new Amazon FBA account? When it comes down to ad spend and where would we spend, we would allocate at least 70 to 80% to sponsored product ads, because those are the ad types that we're seeing that we have most control on. The rest would go to sponsored brand and sponsored display ads. And the way how we would split them up, we would really look into, do I have a competitive advantage when it comes down to sponsored brand ads? Are they cheaper for me or not than sponsored display? And then based on that, we would see, okay, how much should we invest to it? I know that there's like people who love to give these rules of like 10%, 5%, 15%, like so on. I believe that we gathered enough data to like humble ourselves and realize that if you are able to answer that right away, it means you probably did not experience enough real life scenarios. I would advise 70% that is realistic to spend on sponsored product ads. Whenever we managed brands, ad spend went more than 50% to sponsored brand ads, they had a very hard time to ranking. Even if the sponsored brand ads were cheaper, it was way more helpful for us to run more sponsored product ads than the other ad types.